Have you ever wondered if someone could rebuild what you were doing online just by looking at the packets? Most people think a packet capture is just a wall of random data. It's not. It's a recording of an entire conversation. Every click you make, every page you open, every request your browser sends, it's all broken into packets. And if you know how to put those packets back together, you can see the story they tell. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. I'm capturing traffic from my own isolated lab where I have permission to inspect everything. First, I'll log into my test application, upload a simple image, and let that traffic cross the network. Nothing here is hidden. Everything is happening inside my own authorized environment. Now let's switch over to Wireshark. At first glance, this looks like thousands of unrelated packets. Source addresses, destination addresses, sequence numbers. It's easy to get overwhelmed. That's exactly what happens to most beginners. They start scrolling through packets one by one, hoping they'll eventually find something useful. Professionals don't work that way. They rebuild the conversation first. Watch this. I right-click one packet, choose Follow HTTP Stream, and suddenly every request and every response appears in the exact order they happened. The login request, the server response, the cookies, the headers, even the file name that was transferred. What looked like random packets is now a readable conversation. And that's the important part. Wireshark isn't creating any new information. It's simply taking thousands of individual packets and reconstructing the original conversation exactly as it happened on the network. If I want to jump to another session, I don't scroll through thousands of packets. I simply switch to another stream, and instantly, I'm looking at a completely different conversation. Each stream represents a different exchange between devices, making large captures much easier to understand. Before digging deeper, there's another feature every analyst should know: statistics, conversations. Instead of looking at individual packets, this gives you the bigger picture. It shows every pair of devices that communicated, how much data they exchanged, and how long those conversations lasted. If one connection transferred far more data than everything else, that's probably where you want to start your investigation. Instead of searching blindly, you immediately know where the interesting traffic is. Now for the part most people don't know. I'm opening File, Export Objects, HTTP. Wireshark lists the files that were transferred during this capture. I select one, save it, and open it. That image wasn't stored inside Wireshark. It was reconstructed from the network traffic captured in this lab session. Think about that for a second. The image wasn't recovered from the server. It wasn't copied from the browser. It wasn't downloaded again. Wireshark rebuilt it from the packets that crossed the network during this capture. That's exactly why unencrypted traffic is so dangerous. If files are transferred over protocols that don't protect their contents, anyone with authorized access to that traffic can reconstruct what was sent. The same principle applies to documents, images, scripts, and many other types of files transmitted without proper encryption. The lesson isn't that Wireshark is dangerous. The lesson is that sending sensitive information without proper encryption is. Use HTTPS instead of HTTP. Use SFTP instead of FTP. Encrypt your traffic before it ever leaves your device. Tell me in the comments what surprised you most in your capture. But this is only half the story. Rebuilding traffic is useless if you don't even know what's on your network in the first place. In the next video, I'll run one Nmap command that reveals every device connected to the network in seconds, including the ones you probably didn't know existed. Trust me, you'll want to see this one. I'll see you there.